Welcome to Wales. I've never been in this country before.
This is like the tallest building there.
It's up there, but I'm not sure if it's number one. I feel like, bro, you see that one over there? The one that's got the crane right next to it. I feel like that might be a thing, you know. Oh, it's fucking locked. There's a roof hatch though. Yeah. Does it feel just like it's like an empty box? Because that's what I've tried one of these things before and I could not get the thing to open.
Nah, there's no, it doesn't make sound.
Yeah.
Press all of them. Oh,
save. Yes, again, mate. Oh my days. Fuck's sake. Move it forward. Yes! Oh, come on. Neither of us can reach it. Alright, game over then, yeah? That was a solid goal. That was a banger. That was like crossbarred in.
Yeah. Let's get it in.
Header. There's a worker right there.
He's chilling.
He is chilling. That's where I want to chill. I want to be there right now. Or in the crane cabin.
So that's the building we were in before, right? That is the tallest building in Cardiff. The tallest constructed one. But you see this one here, yeah? I'd say that's almost taller. And that's the one we're going to go in, that one, definitely. I reckon if we get to the top of that, we'll be in the tallest building in Cardiff. It's not an alarm. It's a water leak detection. It's fine.
Welcome to Wales. That is the breeze you need after that staircase. Oh no, I'm getting cold. Fast. Look at that bird. Doing the same as us right now. It's good though after that fucking staircase, isn't it? It's the perfect thing you need. Oh shit. Don't worry, I didn't get caught, but the security guard was outside his booth. Yeah. No, he's not. No high vis? No problem. Can you? Yeah, give it a go. Why not? As long as you don't break it. Look, I'm a visitor.
Oh shit.
I'm allowed.
Yeah. I don't think we can operate it. I think you got to connect up to something.
Do you need a key?
Yeah. Nah, you don't need a key. I think you need to connect it to this.
Oh, the power.
Yeah. There's no like on button.
Hey crows, how's it going?
This is the one we found. Remember, it was just lying there.
Yes. You washed it.
Yeah. fucking whack.
Okay, I didn't get this on camera the first time, but that helicopter shot a light at us a second ago, and now it's come back up. I don't think it's for us, but that is weird, man. It's definitely not police though, is it? Black helicopters in the sky! That's sick. I was dead convinced that was shining this light at me. I have no idea. Why did it land? Because it was 30 seconds.
It came from like over there.
Yeah, it came from over there.
Circled round.
And it came like right over this building, mate. Basically over the top of that Zenith building and just went right around like that.
That is just one experience which I'll have for the rest of my life.
Same here, bro. Like I said, neither of us recorded the actual thing. We got the aftermath, so we have proof that there was a helicopter.
Just have the memory up here.
Yeah, exactly.
Water leak. You can see it, look, it's wet everywhere.
Yeah, it's clear, mate. Everything all right?
Hey, get out of there!
Okay, I think we're good. Whoa, that sounds mad. The wind whistling through everything. Bro, what the fuck? That's so loud. That's the sound of the wind going through all the tiny holes. Fucking hell. This is amazing. Look at all the ants!
What the fuck is that? There's just a massive belt just slapping against that metal thing. Like, what is the point?
Sounds like a dodgeball. Just someone really like bouncing on the floor.
Basketball or something.
See the moon?
Fuck.
Nice.
Good morning, man.
Alright?
Look, we can see the castle fully, man. Last night we couldn't see it, we could only see the wall. Cardiff Castle. Fuck you for charging so much. I'm gonna go try and hit that building now.
Oh no. The staircase is locked. Fuck man, why have they tried to block the door? Look up. That's where we slept. I can't believe the weather, you know. 2 days of 0 clouds, apart from that sunset. This has been such a great weekend. Oh shit, police. Okay, they've just gone past, it looks like. I wonder what they're doing, man. They're just hovering. One last view from up top. You can see the ocean over there. Right, it's time to go home. Did she tell you to leave?
No. Just looked at me a bit weirdly.
Oh my days.